I've got an audio file right here.
But if you stick to it and
so
put your mind into it,
you can hear that audio file. You can play it on Windows, it's all fine. That same file right here, if I play this now, you can't hear anything. It's clearly got sound, the clip's clearly got sound. You can see by the levels over here. If you just have a look at this clip right here, and then in the metadata up the top, you'll see that this one's a 48,000 hertz, and this is just some like background music. That's at 44,000 hertz track. So we can hear neither of those. So the first thing you can check right here is if you go to Davinci Resolve Preferences, you go to your video and audio input output, and then you're just going to look at your speaker setup. So this could be one of the first things. Okay, so this is the first thing we're going to check. So make sure this is on manual. Select your device, whatever it is. I've only got one on there, so choose that. Oh, just leave that on stereo. This left and right channels, just choose your device on both, obviously. Just channel 1, channel 2. So that might be the first thing that helps. If that doesn't help, then go over to see your speaker icon. Depending on your version of Windows, you'll see a speaker icon. You might right click that. You might see something like playback devices, and that will bring up your little sound panel. Or just go to start menu, start typing in sound. You'll see sound. Again, same thing. So I've only got the one device in there, like I said. So right click that, properties, advanced. Now see how that's on 44,000 hertz? Although it's not like officially been sort of set anywhere, you'll see in a bunch of the Blackmagic forums that you need to set this on at least 48,000. Okay, so we're just gonna exit out of Resolve. Don't save. Exit out of Resolve. Set that to 48,000. Apply. Yeah. Okay, exit out of that. Go back into Resolve. So once I start playing that, yep, and as you can hear, we've got sound. So if I play the 44,000 track, that's playing fine. You can hear that background music. And if I play the 48,000 hertz track, you can hear that fine too. If you got a 44,000 hertz file, Davinci will actually like upscale or downscale that appropriately. But if it's some obscure sort of sample rate, your video, use something like any video converter and just convert it. So let's just grab one, change to whatever AVI. Like, so if it's QuickTime, change to QuickTime, keep it as QuickTime. MP4, whatever, keep it as MP4. What you just need to do is change that to 48,000 and then click convert and then drag that into your project. So there you go, guys. Just 3 things for you to try out. Yeah, so good luck with that, guys. Hope that helps. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you.